Hi friends, today's lesson is from Module 5, Lesson 14. Our learning goal for today says, I can count objects to 20 that are organized in a big circle. Man, oh man, I am so excited that this is our learning goal for today because I'm actually using a really big circle today. See? I told you. Friends, you know what this is? Yes, it's a wreath. I'm going to hang it on my door. The only thing is it's looking kind of plain, so I want to spice it up a little bit with some flowers. I'm just not sure how many flowers I need altogether. So as I put them on the wreath, can you help me count? Oh, thank you so much. All right, so here we go. 1, oh, it's looking better already. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You know what I really like? I like how it's filling up the whole wreath and it's filling up that whole circle. And now it looks like a circle of flowers. Hey, that wreath looks beautiful. Do you agree? I Oh. Oh no, I started talking about the flowers and I forgot to count them. Did you count them? Some of you did? Oh, thank you. Some of you got sidetracked by me. I know, me too. Okay, we're gonna have to recount these flowers. But you know what I'm just looking at and I'm just noticing that's a lot of flowers to count. What do you recommend? What should we do? How should we count these flowers? Oh, I like that. I like that someone said maybe circle 10 so you can see that group of 10 and then count on from there. Perfect. So I remembered that these were the first 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And if I can at least get to 10, then even if I start talking to somebody, if I look back and I've circled that 10, I know exactly where to keep counting. So I just say 10 and then count on. Can you do that with me, friends? Oh, perfect. Thanks. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, so I needed 15 beautiful flowers for my wreath. Oh, I'm so glad you're here today to help me count these flowers, especially when they're in a big circle. You know what? I think that you probably want to have a chance to try out to make a big circle, right? I knew you would. So can you go ahead and grab a dry erase board and a marker? Press pause while you do it, and press play after you have your materials. Okay, now, although it looked kind of easy, probably, and quick that I made that circle on the wreath, when you're actually drawing a circle all of your own, it can be a little tricky. So let's try it. Friends, I'm going to give you a challenge. We're going to try to make a circle of 17. Okay? So we're just going to draw quick little circles like this, all the way around in a big wreath, kind of, or a big gigantic circle. And then the very end, we want to have 17, and we want to have it make it all the way back, all right, to where we began. Now, when I have to do circles, I'm telling you what, it's really tricky because sometimes they look a little lopsided. That's okay, you just want to try your best. What I want you to do right now is I want you to go ahead and press pause. I want you to draw a big circle that are surrounded by 17 little circles, kind of like you're making a big wreath, okay? You might have to erase and adjust it, but try to make the best circle you can. Press pause while you do it, and then press play, and we'll talk about it. Okay, did you make your gigantic circle of 17? Okay, so watch mine. I have 1, 2, 3. Now, as I count mine, can you tap your circles on your picture to see that you have enough? Okay, good. So let's start with 1, and here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Ah, I was so nervous I wasn't going to get all the way back around, but I made it. How did you do? Oh, good. Does your circle look nice and big like mine? Excellent. And did you have 17? Perfect. Well, friends, I love what a nice job you did drawing 17 as a big, gigantic circle. All right, go ahead and erase it. I hope that you noticed that as we were counting, it was really helpful to go nice and slow and know where you began. Maybe if I were counting to double check, maybe I would color this first circle in so I know where I needed to start and stop. Okay, our learning goal for today says, I can count objects to 20 that are organized in a big circle. And within that 20, if we circle any groups of 10s we see, that will be helpful. But also, we just have to go nice and slow. All right, here's your exit ticket. For your exit ticket, I would like you to draw another big, gigantic circle that's surrounded with 14 little circles. All right, do your best work and then go ahead and send me a picture of it. All right, good luck, friends.